welcome to my new blog post number 10. And in today's blog post, I'm going to discuss about portfolio management, but it is also going to become a very shallow dive about the portfolio management. Portfolio management in itself is a very good field to study about, and to further study, you may go for uh, reading the Standard for Portfolio Management by PMI. So let's start with the shallow definition of portfolio management. So what actually is portfolio management? So basically it is defined as projects, various programs, subsidiary portfolios, and operations that are managed as a group to achieve strategic objectives. Uh, Basically, it is a centralized management of one or more portfolios to achieve a higher strategic objective of an organization. The programs or projects of the portfolio may not necessarily be interdependent or directly related. So, basically, the aim of the portfolio management is to guide organizational investment decisions, select the optimal mix of programs and projects to meet strategic objectives, provide decision making transparency, and prioritize team and physical resources allocation. Further, we can say like it increase the likelihood of realizing the desired return on investment, as well as centralize the management of aggregate risk profile of all components. You may say that portfolio management also confirms that the portfolio is consistent with and aligned with organizational strategies. So, maximizing the value of portfolio requires careful examination of the components that comprise the portfolio. And components are basically prioritized so that those contributing the most to organization's strategic objectives have the required financial team and physical resources. So, in order to understand that, we can have an example about it. And the example is like an infrastructure organization that has the strategic objective of maximizing the return on its investments may put together a portfolio that includes a mix of projects in oil and gas, power, water, roads, rails, and airports. From this mix, the organization may choose to manage related projects as one portfolio. All of the power projects, for example, may be grouped together as a power portfolio. Similarly, all the water projects may be grouped together as a water portfolio. However, when the organization has the projects in designing and constructing a power plant and then operates the power plant to generate energy, those related projects can be grouped into one group. Thus, the power program and similar water program become integral components of the portfolio of the infrastructure organization. I hope so. You have understood the basic definition of the portfolio management in this block.